Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. Virgos, if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have anchor, garden, and child. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, I see that you are beginning you are moving towards a new project, maybe a new beginning in your career, or it may be in your personal life. Some new changes are happening in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are even planning to have a child together, start a family. And Virgos, I see that you have succeeded on some things. Maybe you have completed certain responsibilities you had. You are feeling happy for that, and you have you are celebrating some new beginning, maybe a new beginning that uses your skills and talents. But you have reached some goals and you are starting out on a next venture, something that is giving you happiness. And for some of you, you are moving towards a commitment, guys, maybe marriage or engagement. This may be your energy or this may be this person's energy, guys. So you want commitment or they want commitment, or you both are moving towards a positive relationship, having that understanding. And you are someone who, what to say, having that completeness, that sense of completeness, security, and stability in your life, guys. Virgos. And Virgos, I also see that you are spending time with this person you love. You are maybe going for a dinner or taking them out. You are spending time together, and you are having things going in a positive way in your life, guys, today, Virgos. Positive energy is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card. Relationship. So in your relationship there are huge changes happening, guys. Maybe you are changing the way you are to make this connection work, or to be committed to this person. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys. Maybe they are changing themselves, trying to avoid fights, arguments, and you both are working towards a harmonious relationship, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the moon. So you have great dreams or goals for your future in your career, guys, and you are progressing in a positive way towards that. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all guys with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading guys. So let's see what is the second card guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress, or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or had some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness, or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves guys. So that is the reading for y'all today guys with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.